Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to sort a nested list in Python. Sort a key list, verify if sublist contains the key list and remove it. So this is the problem statement. So here is my nested list containing three sublists. So here this is the first sublist 54123 76531, and this is the third sublist, that is 234 5, 9 and 10, and this is my key list. So you have to sort this list and as well as this list and check if the key list is a subset of any of these sublist. So yeah, so let's take an example. So 5 to 1, you have to check if 5 to 1 is present in this list. So it is present, so you have to remove this. And let's take another sublist, that is 5 to 1. Let's check 5 is present, 2 is not present and 1 is present. So since 2 is not present, so ignore it. And then let's take a third list. So here 5 is present, 2 is present and 1 is not present, so you can ignore it. So only the sublist to be removed is this. Yeah, so this is the complete problem statement. So first let's sort a nested list. So for that, let's use for loop for item in, let's say, nested list. Yeah, so this is items. So let's take a temporary variable items. So items dot sort. So this will give you the sorted list. So let's print this, and yeah, let's print the nested list. So now let me run this program and let's see how it works. So I need the nested list to be sorted. So we can see 1 2 3 4 5, 1 3 5 6 7, 2 3 4 5 9 and 10. Yeah, so this is the nested list that is sorted. So in order to sort the key list, let's take key list dot sort, and yeah, finally print the key list. Let me run this program. So you can see that 1 to 5 is sorted, 5 to 1. Yeah, so this is the first two, this is the solution for first two problems. And now let's try to solve the third one, that is verify if sublist contains a key list. So for that, what you do is, let's take a list, that is a empty list, list underscore delete. So you have to fill this list with a sublist that needs to be deleted. So yeah, so let's try to fill this. And yeah, so let's use for loop for items in nested list. So you are traversing this nested list, that is sublist by sublist. So this is a sublist. So yeah, let's let it be items. So what you have to do is check if this is part of the sublist. Sorry, so check if the key list is part of any of these sublists. So in order to do that in program, so let's use if all. So all is a logical comparison. So if all the elements are true, so it will return true. So let's use for item, let's take a item in, that is a key list. So you are taking a key list over here, that is taking each and every item present in the key list. So you are comparing item in items. So this is an item. Yeah, so you are taking for each and every item present in the key list, that is this. So you are comparing the item should be present in the items. So that is a sublist. So this is the first sublist. And then check the item, that is a key list of, that is item present in the second list and item present in the third list. So if the item is present, so you are shallow copying the list. So let's shallow copy it. So list underscore delete. So this is my empty list, so let's try to fill that. So let's append it with the items. Yeah, so this is the list to be deleted. You have framed it. So now let's delete the list, or you can say remove it. Let's use remove for elements in list underscore delete. So what you have to do is just say nested list dot remove. So you are trying to delete the items present in the main list by shallow copying the items from this list. So remove, that is element. So you have to remove this and use continue, and then finally print the nested list. Yeah, so this is the complete program. So this is to sort the nested list, this is to sort the key list, this is to get the subset of key lists present in the nested list, that is this or this. So you have to check it. So this is the code for that, and this is the code to remove the sublist. So this is the code to print the nested list. So now let's execute this and let's see how it works. So you can see that this is the nested list that is sorted, and this is the key list, and you can see that the first item, that is a sublist, is getting removed. So you can see that 1 3 5 6 7. So this is printed, and this is also printed. Yeah, so now let me only use 5 and 2. So we can see that 5 and 2 is present here, 5 is present, so this 2 is not present here, and 5 and 2 is present here. So let me run this program. So you can see that only this sublist is present in the main list. So now let me add 1 here. So now let me extend this nested list something like this. I have 2 items here, and I have another item same over here. So I have to delete these and this. So my program should work fine, and only remaining part is only these two. So let me execute this. So you can see that in the nested list, that is only these two items are present, that is this part and this part. So these first and second and the final list, that is end list, getting removed. Yes, so this is the complete program to sort a nested list, sort the key list, and verify sublist containing key list and remove it. That's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.